Hello and welcome to our video on manual versus automatic, the pros and cons of both transmissions. Today we will be discussing the differences between manual and automatic transmissions, and the advantages and disadvantages of each. Whether you're an expert mechanic or just starting to learn about cars, this video is for you. So let's dive in. Firstly, let's define what manual and automatic transmissions are. A manual transmission, also known as a standard or stick shift, is a type of transmission that requires the driver to manually shift gears using a clutch pedal and gear shift. On the other hand, an automatic transmission is a type of transmission that shifts gears automatically without the need for a clutch pedal or gear shift. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of each transmission type. We'll start with manual transmissions. Pros of manual transmissions. 1. Control. With a manual transmission, the driver has more control over the vehicle's acceleration and can make quicker shifts when needed. The ability to shift gears manually allows the driver to maintain control of the vehicle's speed, which is especially important in difficult terrain or when driving conditions are challenging. 2. Fuel efficiency. Manual transmissions tend to be more fuel efficient than automatic transmissions, as they are lighter and require less power to operate. The driver has more control over the vehicle's speed, so it is easier to maintain a consistent speed and avoid unnecessary fuel consumption. 3. Lower cost. Manual transmissions are often less expensive to repair and replace than automatic transmissions. Because manual transmissions are simpler in design and do not require as many components, they are generally less expensive to maintain. Cons of manual transmissions. 1. Learning curve. Driving a manual transmission requires practice and skill, and can be difficult for those who are not used to it. Shifting gears manually can be tricky, especially when starting from a stop or on a hill, and it may take some time to become comfortable with the process. 2. Inconvenience. In stop-and-go traffic, the constant shifting can be tiring and frustrating. Driving a manual transmission in heavy traffic can be especially challenging, as the driver must constantly shift gears to keep up with the flow of traffic. 3. Resale value. Cars with manual transmissions tend to have lower resale values than those with automatic transmissions, as they are less popular among buyers. This can make it more difficult to sell a vehicle with a manual transmission, and can also lead to a lower trade-in value. Now let's move on to automatic transmissions. Pros of automatic transmissions. 1. Ease of use. Automatic transmissions are easy to operate, making them a popular choice among drivers of all skill levels. There is no need to shift gears manually, which simplifies the driving experience and allows the driver to focus on the road ahead. 2. Convenience. In stop-and-go traffic, the constant shifting is handled automatically, making it less tiring and frustrating. The driver can focus on driving and navigating through traffic without worrying about shifting gears. 3. Resale value. Cars with automatic transmissions tend to have higher resale values than those with manual transmissions, as they are more popular among buyers. This can make it easier to sell a vehicle with an automatic transmission, and can also lead to a higher trade-in value. Cons of automatic transmissions. 1. Less control. With an automatic transmission, the driver has less control over the vehicle's acceleration and cannot make quick shifts when needed. The automatic transmission is designed to shift gears based on the vehicle's speed, and the driver has limited control over the timing of the shifts. 2. Fuel efficiency. Automatic transmissions tend to be less fuel efficient than manual transmissions, as they are heavier and require more power to operate. The automatic transmission is more complex in design and requires more components, which can result in higher maintenance and repair costs. 3. Overheating. In some cases, automatic transmissions can overheat, which can cause damage to the transmission and other parts of the vehicle. This can occur when the transmission fluid is not properly maintained, or when the vehicle is towing a heavy load or driving in extreme heat. So, which transmission is better? The answer is not that simple, as it depends on your personal preference and driving needs. If you enjoy having more control over your vehicle's acceleration and want to save money on fuel, a manual transmission may be the way to go. On the other hand, if you want a more convenient and effortless driving experience, an automatic transmission may be the better choice. In summary, manual transmissions offer more control, better fuel efficiency, and lower costs, but require more skill and can be less convenient. Automatic transmissions are easy to use, offer more convenience, and have higher resale values, but can be less fuel efficient, less controllable, and more expensive to maintain. We hope this information was helpful, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.